Okay, hello guys, it's Fang here again, and I'm gonna do some quick questions, obviously. Yeah, if you have noticed lately, I've been setting up a different playlist where I go over the question that I got wrong and how I should do them. And yeah, let's get started. This one I already did before, but the answer is 25. And the way of getting this is yeah, you got y is equal to negative 31, right? 31 out of 4, which is equal to f of 0 minus 9, and then you get the f of 0 equals to negative 9, so you plus 9, so you get 1.25. 1.25 here, 0 is negative 1, plus 1, 2.5, 2.5, yeah, 2.25, 2.25, you get 22.5, divided by 4, and then you have all that divided by 2.25, and then you get 25 right here, because you're trying to get this product right here of A and B. Let's go to the next. Okay, so this equation, given the equation is constant, the equation is exactly one real solution. What's the minimum value of 4m? So for right here, square root of m minus x, and then it's equal to 32 minus x. And then we will have a line here, and then we add a slider for m, and we try to step it up until it has one solution. So yeah, to have one solution. And let's just keep on adding it until we get it. 15, 20, 20, 31, 31 maybe. So 31 does not do. 31.5, 0.70, 75. Is there one solution only here? So m is equal to 31.75. And the possible solution for m will be 31.75 multiplied by 4, 127. Let's see if that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so this is the exact same way to solve it. Formula, you get the same, and then you get the discriminant of this. Yeah, cool. There's probably a better way to do this one, actually, now that I think about it. Oh shoot, I haven't even started the timer. That's not good. Let's start the timer real quick. Yeah, I guess I'll end in when it's like 2 minutes left. But yeah, let's go. So let's see, how do we do this one? This one that's given the equation m is a constant. The equation is exactly one solution. Let's value of f. Okay, you put that on this side. Let's go 2x squared, and then the unit discriminant is equal to 0. So I'm guessing you move everything down. You move everything down to one end, and you have this equal to 0. Yeah, so you have all this, and then you got equal to this, it's equal to this, it's equal to 0. Yeah, and then you get the discriminant, then you get the tangent. So you get 1b, 1b, b is equal to 1. Oh, b is equal to 1 because negative 41 and negative 3. Yeah, and then get negative 2, 1, negative 27. Cool. I wish they actually fixed this issue where they have a bunch of like dollar sign, but to make it a little easier. But whatever. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, this looks like a problem 6 or 7. Yeah. In the x and y plane, the graph f of is shifted a 15 unit to create a function g. Just say that y is equal to g of x. If g is passed through the point 2k, k is a constant. What is the graph of? What's the value of k? So right now we have f of x, right, which is equal to x plus 1, x plus 6. And we're moving it up how much? We're shifting up by 15 unit. Pretty simple. Shift up by 15. Nothing should have changed, to be honest. Yeah, nothing should have changed. But just to make sure, I'm gonna do double bracket. And then it passed to point 2k. So let's find 2, where x is equal to 2. And then we go up. And it passed at the point 39. So I'm guessing k is 39. Okay, okay, so I did this wrong. Y is equal to g. Y is 2. What is k? Okay, so I did this wrong. Interesting. Shifted 15 unit to create a g. What's the value of y? Oh, interesting. Oh, yeah, this is exactly what I did. Oh, f of 2. I guess. Yeah, 39. Interesting. What the heck? Interesting, interesting. So g of x is equal to f of x plus 15. So evaluate f of x when it's equal to 2. So f of x equal to 2 is equal to negative 24 plus 15 g of 2 is negative 9. So what I'm guessing is they did this g of x, whatever y is equal to okay, so this is y, and I'm guessing they say g of x is like g of x is f of x plus 15, right? F of x plus 15, and then you have g of 2, 39. Okay, interesting. 39. They say g will be equal to f of 2 plus 15 g of 2, which is very, just questioning my insanity right now, unless I misclicked something. Oh shoot, I did. Okay, never mind. Okay, my bad, guys. Okay, that's all on me. Okay, I forgot to. Okay, I forgot to include x minus 3. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, cool. So f of 2. Okay, bruh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Double check your work, guys. Don't. Wait. It was 9, right? Shift of 15. F of 2. Huh? It's not negative 9. Not. Oh, wait. Okay, I think this is just an error, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's an error. Yeah. Oh, okay. So yeah. Okay. Cool. So, still a mistake right there. Crap. Okay. Cool. Let's not make the same mistake. Okay. So yeah. Here's a similar question. What is equivalent to? What is equivalent to the expression is equivalent to 9x minus b? Okay. Blah blah blah. So we can simplify this first. Oh no, we cannot simplify this actually. So first of all, this is incorrect because 9x plus x2 is gonna be 13. Add this in is gonna be, oh shoot, wait. Yeah, this one can't be correct. You add x, that's 9x. You add this, it's gonna be 9. You add this, it's gonna be 13. That look correct. This is probably a medium. If I mess this up, yeah, this is a medium. Shouldn't have took that long, to be honest. And then this one you just add. Yeah, you multiply this. That can't be correct. I don't think so. Let's try this. Okay, fuck. Okay, yeah. Okay. So x multiplied by that, it just raises it to the 13 power, obviously. Okay, anything. Okay. So I was tripping before. Anything multiplied by x, raise it to the power. So I'm guessing you multiply x. You just get x. Yeah, you just get. Okay, cool. I don't think D will work. D would not work. Okay, bro, that's so dumb. Yeah, I don't. Oh yeah, there's also. I wish that you could just copy and paste it in the graph. To be honest, make it easier. Yeah, this one's definitely out, obviously. Um, 9x plus C. Yeah, C is correct. A is wrong. B. Oh, they didn't even go for B. Um, yeah. Shoot, don't tell me I did my. I don't know how to simplify shit. That's not good. I am pretty sure. Yeah, you multiply by x, you will. If it's the same thing, it will raise it to the next power. So right here, this will just simplify. Okay, okay. This will just simplify to the highest number and then x. So this one's incorrect. This one has x multiplied by this and then multiplied by 9. So x multiplied by x to 11 is going to be x to the 12 multiplied by 9. So 9 to the x of the 12. This can't be correct because it will go to 13. This can't be correct. This will go to 13. Okay, cool. Got it. Okay, rectangular. Okay, this is rectangular area is this much. The length is 3 times the width. What's the length of the? Okay, it's pretty simple. So you pretty much have 3x plus x. 3x multiplied by x, which is equal to 192. So yeah, so you have 8, I'm guessing. Alright, cool. Okay, rectangular 192. If the length is 3 times the width. Oh, no. Okay. It's 3 times the width. Okay, so the length is 3x. My bad. 3, 8. Yeah. So for this question, I always go with a positive one, obviously. So I was looking. Great. I thought they were mentioning width. If the what is the length of the if the length of the it's 3 times the width. So length is 3x. So it's asking for length, so which is 3x, and x is equal to 8. So the length is 8. The width is 8, and the length is 24. So oh shoot. Yeah, I am not doing so hot right now. That's not good. But at least I know the mistakes and how to catch on to it. Okay, firework is launched up from the ground. The fire reached maximum of 31.25. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is pretty much plug and shove. This is a plug and shove question. And then it said the maximum height is 3 point. Okay, so you just find the highest one. So this is incorrect. This one looked promising actually. This one looked promising. This one has 25. But at 1.25. So this one can't be correct because it reaches max at it has to reach its max at 2.75 seconds. So this one can't be right. This one can't be right. So let's go for this one. Negative 5x minus 2.5 add to 2. Negative 5. Okay, this one's not. This is incorrect. And this should probably only be the correct answer. And then we can double check just in case. But if it was a real SAT, I'll probably just click on it. Yeah, it reaches max at 31.25 and the ground at 2.15. So this one's correct. Cool, let's go next. Okay, so a function of g is defined as gx and b is a constant blah blah blah. dy x. Okay, we just did a question similar to this one. Yeah, so let's do this real quick. The graph of g of x has an intercept of 0, 4. 4, 0. Okay, so ignoring the fact, I think you ignored this fact to be honest, and you go straight to this. So, the value of m. So, g of 0 is going to be equal to negative 624. Negative 624 is equal to m of x, which is 0, plus k, right? So, when doing this, you will have negative 624 is equal to 1, because anything raised to 0 is 1 plus k. And then you subtract that, negative 625 is equal to k. So we have k now. K is equal to negative 2 something something something. Now we have the x-intercept. So the x-intercept, right. Excuse me, g of x is equal to the x-intercept at 4. So m of x, m of 4 will be equal to 9 minus 0. Excuse me. Yeah. is equal to 0. So this will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. And this one will be positive 625. So now we just get the cube root. How do I do? I forgot how to do this actually. Let me search that up real quick. Desmos, cube root for Desmo will be CBRT. How do you do higher roots? Let's just do CBRT. Okay, you can't replace this. Okay, 4 to the 625. Let's see if that's correct. That took a little too long. Yeah, that's correct. I think that's like a low setting. Okay, interesting. So these like question like these use the oh yeah, okay, yeah. Use the thing that they give you like right here. Similar to the first question that I just answered, the one with the answer is equal to 25. You really gotta look into like what you really need and then what you need to get. So I'm guessing, yeah. I think I took a little too long on this one just explaining it, but I think I could have done it faster just by hand, just by doing it. So yeah, it's just something for you guys to see. Okay, exponential function, q of 1 is equal to k. K is a constant of the following, which is the coefficient of the base. Okay, cool. So q of 1, it has to be a constant. So that already look like constant, I'm guessing. Let's try this. 45, 3, 1 minus 2. Oh shoot. Can you not? Okay, interesting. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Let's just do that. Okay, oh, actually, I did not read the question. That. What's the value of k as a coefficient of base? K as a coefficient of base. K is a constant. Shoot. I'm not sure what it's asking, but definitely not that. Coefficient is a base. Oh. Wait, let me just double check real quick. Coefficient is a space. Coefficient. Okay. So okay, just misreading. Basically, okay. So okay. Question like these. Okay, cool. Okay, at least I know what to look out for. So question like this, is asking you for when q of 1 is equal to k, which is the value of k. Okay, when 1 is equal to k, what is equal to the coefficient or the base? So which equation shows the value of k as coefficient or the base? Coefficient or the base? I'm pretty sure coefficient and base are the same thing. Real quick, coefficient and base. I think. Okay, fuck me. Okay, screw me. Okay, 2 of x. The base is the numbers racing to. Okay. K is the constant. So k has to be equal to coefficient or the base. Okay. So when k is raised to the, okay, let's see this real quick. So 5, 3 to the 1, right? We got 15. Okay, 45, 3 to the negative 1. Cool. We got 15, 3 to the 0. Cool. And then we got 1, 3, 5, 3 to x minus 3. X minus 3. Where's equal to 1? So 1 minus 3, negative 2. So basically, if I read this thing correctly, which I should have, is asking when k is equal to 1, right? K is equal to 1. Okay, so Q of 1 is equal to K, right? So it has to be equal to the coefficient or base. So right now it cannot be equal to the base. Yeah, it cannot be equal to the base because base is 3, base is 3, base is 3, base is 3. If I am not reading that incorrectly. Yeah, when it's raised. Okay, so base cannot be the same. However, the coefficient can be the same, which is what C is. So that's why C is correct. Okay, that was just me on the reading part. So okay, for a year, if the fund increased by what's the value of Q? Increase obviously is this. This is probably a medium. Yeah, okay, that's surprising. Medium high. I would low key I would put that as an easy. But remember guys, it cannot when you're multiplying, that means increasing. And it's 1.08 because it's increasing by 8%. So 108%. Okay, cool. Oh shoot, this is what question are these? Non-linear equation. Okay, so these are the type of question that will flip you up. Let's see. During a 7-time interval, the average acceleration is a and meter per square. Blah blah blah. Velocity is 2.1. Sound like my calculus class. For you guys that are taking calculus right now. Acceleration is equal to that. Holy snap! Holy yap! Where v to the f is the final velocity of blah blah blah. What's the value of c? Holy crap! Okay, that is not what you want to see. What's the value of c? I guess they do give you a. They do give you the velocity of 21, and D stand for what? I have no idea what D stand for. I'm guessing D will be able to time. I guess. Does look important, but I'm just gonna ignore the fact, to be honest. Yeah. So let's see. How do I do this? I forgot how you guys do this. There's one where you can put in the bottom. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I wish I had a pencil to show you guys, but I am guessing I will plug this in first to F, to A. I'll plug in 7 for D, and then C I will get I'll solve for C, and then I'm guessing velocity is 21. So 21. Yeah, I that's what how do. Let's see how they do it. Okay, that's lame. Okay, I will review this one and get you back on with a short on that one. All right, let's go next one. Since we have 9 minutes left. So f of x, this is what's equivalent to k. No, it's k is equal to constant. Blah blah blah. Okay, this one's probably a regression question. F of 3 minus 35 x of 1 equal to 2. I'll do regression. K x of 1 x of 1 square root of 2 12 x of 1 minus 5, where k is a constant. What could k be? Let's try just plug that in for now. Okay, cool. So yeah, as you can see, regression is very 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 helpful. Yeah, I just solved it for you. This is a medium just because you can probably do it by hand. Yeah, you can probably just do it by hand. Because you put 7 in and you just get all this. So you really don't have to do this regression crap. But this really just give your life so much easier. It just make it easier, I guess. And yeah, it's 36 seconds. I guess it's not slow, but I guess if I type faster it would be better. But yeah, basically regression set both of the equation equal to each other and give you a parameter. Alright, let's go next. Seemed like a oh, this is hard. Interesting. Okay, cool. Okay, what does D, the intersection of x is 0 and D, what does D represent? So, okay. Low key graph, okay. For visualization purposes, I'll probably graph this. Okay, so when it's 0, what does it mean? When x is 0 and D is equal to what? So D is equal to 0 too. So I'm guessing that's where you uh start off. So yeah, 0 feet. This one look already wrong. This one talk about the maximum height. This one talk about hit the ground. That is, it's not wrong. Just okay, yeah, it's wrong because you can hit the ground on the one. Yeah. Oh shoot. Oh. There's two. Oh fuck. Okay. There. Okay. There's two interval for this one. Okay. So this one is in height where the f-string horizontal distance 0 feet. Horizontal distance 0 feet. Okay, that's wrong. In height. This is just the horizontal, not the height. So this is incorrect. This is yeah, this is a no point. No good. Okay. If it says the horizontal distance, okay, let's see what the because okay, I don't know how to explain that because A is definitely wrong. A is by far definitely wrong. Crap. Let me okay, because this one's correct obviously, because that's when the where the nozzle of the tip hit the ground. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's read what this says. It's spread from the ground. It's spread from ground level, and it's spread from ground level, and it's given the function if above, where x is the horizontal distance in feet, and also okay. The height in feet of the water stream, where the horizontal distance is 0. Okay, I think this is what trips people up. The horizontal distance is 0. Yeah, it tripped me up. I think. I feel like there's something wrong with the wording, obviously, but because we know these two are wrong, obviously. B and C. This one definitely does not show the maximum. This one does not show the maximum. Um, horizontal distance is 0. Oh, okay. Horizontal distance. I think that is incorrect. This is 0. Okay. I understand it. I understand it now. Horizontal distance is 0. Okay, there is one at 0. That's correct, but they're missing the fact that 15 is also contained at 0. Whereas 18. The height should be 0. The horizontal distance is different. The horizontal distance is 0 and 15, so that's incorrect. Okay, got it. Okay, financial analysis give a problem, blah blah blah. Value what's 12. Okay, that's the starting value, obviously. So the starting value is 2014. Okay, cool, yeah. Yeah, I just went for that straight away. That's like 15 seconds, right? Yeah, 14. These are easy money questions for you guys. Always, this is the base year, because you put 0, right? 2014 0. That's 1 multiplied by that. So that's where it starts off. So 1 year after that, it's gonna be 2015, right? But all you have to know, this is the base year, and you get 2014. Pretty simple. Next. Okay, equivalent. Okay, that is dumb as hell. POK. Okay, I would. Okay, I'll just do regression on this one. To be honest, I am way too lazy to actually do the work. Um, low key, I should probably learn how to do this by hand too. But right now we do not have, or I don't. It's not that I don't have the time. It's that I don't want to do it. Okay, so let's do this real quick. X of 1 minus 3, and x of plus 6, and I forgot the 1 right here. Oh shoot! What the hell? Okay, I just had to restart, but okay, whatever. 4x of 1, 3, it's all good. Okay, I should just change the x to a different variable just because it's so. I always get it so. I always get it like. I always forget to put the 1 after it because regression does not work with x. It has to be. Yeah, what did I do wrong here? It is wrong. It's probably this. What's the error code? The error code is cannot use regression, different variable name, blah blah blah. I am guessing k cannot be used or something like that. Oh, okay. Because this one x of 1. So p is equal to 21. Just plug in some variable for 1, I'm guessing. X of 1 is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it cannot be equal to 3, just because that. It can also not be equal to 6. So, did I do this correctly? What's the issue here? What is it? What the hell? Okay, that is. What the flip? Oh, it has to be greater than. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I am. That is. Okay, what the hell? Oh, maybe it's just with this, right? Okay, there. Okay, fuck. Okay, screw me. Okay, do not do what I just did and put brackets. Okay, so this is x is equal to 3, so I plug in all the value for x equal to 3. And what's the value of p and k? So we have p is 7, and then k is 15. 7 times 15 will give me 105. And this is a level 6. I should have been way faster than this, but yeah, that is, yeah. Okay, just my luck is very interesting. Okay, let's see if I can get one more problem in with 18 seconds. So let's see. This one's easy. This is just equivalency. Square root of 2. I want to see if I can just get it with my head. Okay, so for a question like this. Oh shoot, that's the time. Okay, let me do. Okay, for a question like this, I could probably just cross out this just because you can't have 2x. You can't have 6.5. See, you can see like these ones already have the number. I'm guessing you can probably just cross this off and get on with it. But right. Yeah. 5 point something. 0.6. So negative 2.78. That's correct. Okay, it can't. Okay, it can't be this. Okay. Actually, it can't be this because 2 to whatever the hell this is. You can't have this, and you literally have this x plus or whatever. So so you have this multiplied by 1.5. 1.5. I'm guessing you get 3.26, and then you have that multiplied twice, and then you get that. So this is a negative. Okay, so okay, if you guys know how to do perfect squares, this is not a perfect square question. It's more like it's basically x to the 2 plus y. When you look at the x to the 2 plus y, and then you have negative you have y as a negative value, and when you have y as a negative value, when you have y as a negative value, they add up because x is a negative. Okay, I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay, fuck. That took way too long, but okay, for a question like this, I guess what I would do next and what you guys should do next is just realize that this is just by itself. Don't worry about the parentheses. Remember, this turned to negative. Multiply the n first. So 1.5, and then multiply that, and then see what you get, and then I'll cross this off, obviously, and I will cross this off because when you're doing question like this where you have x plus a constant or a or a number, that will result into x of 2 plus xy2 plus y squared, pretty much. That's what it basically ends up, this type of questions. And then when I did it, I'll have this multiply this, definitely get a negative, and then you add the negative, which will get even more negative. Which negative plus negative is negative, so which is why I press this. Okay, this lasted a little longer than I expected, because of some delay. But basically this is yeah, correct. And I'll review the other question that I need to review, I guess, on my short videos, I guess. But yeah, have a good day, everybody, and yeah, that's all for today.